Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Today's video is me unboxing the August Candlefish, I think it's called the library box. It is a $30 a month subscription. You get 3 candles, so it's the exact same price as retail, but it's curated based on whatever their theme for the month is. You can get a year for $28 a month. So if you get a year in advance, it is a little bit less expensive. So it's not the cheapest, but I love candles, and not that I get into a rut, but I kind of do a little bit. So this is allowing me to kind of open up my candle horizons with a little help from candle people that I really like. So it comes like this, and they're out of, I think, South or North Carolina. I'll put a link in the description box down below to their website and also to the box if you're interested. And they make their own candles. They sell a lot of other candles too, but they also make their own, and these are theirs. So each month comes with one of these little things. One of the cards is kind of candle care and that kind of a thing, and you know, trimming your wick and burn time and all that stuff. And then the other looks like a library card, and it tells you what the theme is. So this is the August box, and it says it's back to school season. This time of year brings feelings of new beginnings, no matter your age. Enjoy a selection of 3 fragrances picked to calm the senses. So their candles are not named, they're numbered. So I have 16, 85, and 91. And then the back is a note from the Chandlers: better than the smell of new pencils. It always was annoying to me, it's been a long time since I've been in school, but it always was annoying to me when the back to school stuff started, kind of ads on TV in like July. Still makes me a little bit anxious when I see those, even though I'm not going back to school. So the first one that I see is 85, and this is Lemongrass, Lavender, and Cedarwood. See, these are all supposed to be calming. Lemongrass is really strong. Lemongrass is the most strong, but I think I'm getting a base of the Cedarwood. Something else about candles, I don't know when these were made, but sometimes if you let them sit around a bit and cure, they smell a little bit different. And sometimes when you burn, the cold throw of a candle versus what it smells like when you're actually burning it is different. So this is nice. It's just it's almost like a lemon drop. I smell lemongrass, but I also get that kind of lemon drop candy scent. So I'm curious to see how this smells when it's burning. All right, next is number 16, and this is Amber, Vanilla, and Ylang. Oh, and this is nice. It's really the Amber and Vanilla that I'm picking up on most of all. That's nice. And that'll be nice in the fall too. Nice in the summer, nice in the fall. And the third, 91, is Purple Sage and Earth Oblanum. Oblanum, I'm not sure what that is. And it's interesting, as I'm looking it up, I have no idea what this is. If I can find out what it is, I'll definitely include it. But everything that I'm looking up is coming up in Latin. There's another spelling of it that I'll put up on the screen that looks like it's another word for frankincense. And do I get frankincense from this? A little bit, actually. And I get the sage. This is interesting. I'm curious about what the other thing is, and if I can find any more information, I'll definitely include it. So yeah, I do really enjoy this. I've always liked the candles from this company, and I enjoy having things a little bit outside of my normal candle habits. So thank you so much for watching. A lot to do in the world, a lot to do on YouTube, and it means a lot that you took some time to spend with me today. Take care, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.